What if you had the power to turn anyone into ashes with just one touch? Sounds amazing, right? Well, one demon got exactly that power, but just a few days later, he accidentally used it on himself. How did that happen? Let's find out. Long ago, there lived a demon named Bhasmasura. Bhasmasura wanted power. Not a little power, not a lot of power. He wanted the greatest power in the world. So he decided to pray to Lord Shiva. Day after day, month after month, year after year, Bhasmasura performed severe penance. He stood under the blazing sun. He meditated through storms. He never gave up. Finally, Lord Shiva appeared before him in a brilliant flash of light. My child, said Shiva kindly, I am pleased with your devotion. Ask for any boon you desire. Bhasmasura's eyes sparkled. This was his chance. Lord Shiva, he said, grant me the power that anyone whose head I touch shall turn instantly into ashes. For a moment, everything became silent. But Lord Shiva was famous for his generosity. Without thinking too much about the consequences, he replied, so be it. A strange energy rushed into Bhasmasura's hand. The boon had been granted. The demon was thrilled. He laughed loudly. Ha 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 ha! I am now unstoppable. But then a wicked thought entered his mind. What if this power doesn't work? Perhaps I should test it. Slowly, very slowly, he looked at Lord Shiva. Mischievous smile appeared on his face. Why not test it on Shiva himself? He thought. Suddenly, Bhasmasura stretched out his hand and shouted, come here, Shiva. Lord Shiva's eyes widened. What? Demon charged towards him. Shiva immediately realized the danger. If Bhasmasura touched his head, even for a moment, the boon would work. And so began one of the strangest chases in mythology. Across mountains, across forests, across rivers, across the heavens, Lord Shiva ran and Bhasmasura chased him. The demon laughed. Stop running! I only want to touch your head. But Shiva had no intention of stopping. Finally, Shiva went to Lord Vishnu for help. Vishnu, he said, I may have made a tiny mistake. Vishnu smiled. A tiny mistake? Shiva nodded sheepishly. Vishnu understood the situation immediately. Unlike warriors who fought with weapons, Vishnu often defeated evil using intelligence. I have an idea, he said. In a flash of divine magic, Vishnu transformed into Mohini, the most beautiful woman the world had ever seen. She was graceful, elegant, and impossible to ignore. Soon, Mohini appeared before Bhasmasura. The demon stopped in his tracks. He completely forgot about chasing Shiva. His eyes grew wide. Who are you? He asked. Mohini smiled. I am a dancer. Bhasmasura was enchanted. He couldn't stop staring. Mohini twirled gracefully. Then she said, I'll dance with you, but there is one rule. You must copy every move I make. Bhasmasura grinned. That's easy. The dance began. Mohini raised her right arm. Bhasmasura copied her. Mohini spun in a circle. Bhasmasura spun too. Mohini bent left. Bhasmasura bent left. Mohini bent right. Bhasmasura bent right. The dance became faster and faster and faster. The demon concentrated very hard. He didn't want to miss a single move. Soon he forgot everything else. He forgot about Shiva. He forgot about his dangerous boon. He forgot to think. Then Mohini performed her final move. Slowly, gracefully, she lifted her hand and gently placed it on top of her own head. Bhasmasura didn't even hesitate. He copied the move instantly. His hand landed on his head. The moment he touched it, he realized his mistake. Oh no! Whoosh! A bright flash exploded. A cloud of smoke filled the air, and in the next moment, Bhasmasura had turned himself into a pile of ashes. The gods cheered, the heavens rejoiced, Lord Shiva laughed with relief, and Mohini smiled. In an instant, Mohini transformed back into Lord Vishnu. The danger was over, and peace returned to the world once again. So, little souls, power without wisdom can be dangerous. Arrogance often leads to mistakes, and intelligence is stronger than brute force. Because no matter how powerful someone becomes, a clever mind is often their greatest strength. And remember, little souls, always think before you act.